Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video and I will be showing you how I drew a piece I call Pocket Mermaid. First off, I start with rough sketching, and since I have no reference for this exact pose of a mermaid, I am sketching multiple times on top of each other while lowering the opacity to make the pose look more organic. Sketching once more with cleaner lines this time. And now that I'm quite satisfied with what I have here, I'm going to start with inking. Here I am using the default G pen brush, and by the way, I am using Clip Studio Paint Pro for this art project. Line thickness plays a vital role to the overall look of the piece. So since the mermaid is underwater, I'm going to use the thinnest line weights. Underwater objects have less defined edges. Here I'm just adding up tiny details like her tattoo. This is actually inspired by Filipino tribal tattoos. Now we're going to do the fun part, coloring, yay! So here I chose fun colors. I like to call them cartoonish colors. I really like fun colors. This kind of reminds me of my toothbrush when I was 9 years old, I think. It had a mermaid handle with a green tail and a purple shell top and pink hair. I really felt cool with it back then, that I even used it on a camping trip once. Good old days. I'm just going to add a few more details. This video is only 4 minutes long, but I'm no magician, so in reality it really took me 4 whole hours to finish this drawing. Details are really important, that's why I'm taking my sweet time thinking of things to add up to give more life to it. Lastly, for the shine effect on the tumbler, I used a layer on overlay blending mode and clipped it to the folder where all the layers of colors are at. And voila! My pocket mermaid! So that's it guys, I hope you liked the video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!